Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the EHA Markets Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets Trading App on your device and you will be taken into the sign up or login page. Now, once you are inside the login page, tap on the Forgot Password button underneath the login box. You will then be asked to enter your email address that you used while signing up for your account. Just enter this email address at the top and then click on the send button to receive the verification code. Then you can check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Once you find the code, you can enter it and now you can type in your desired new password for your account. Finally, tap on the confirm button and now your password has successfully been reset. You can now use your email address along with your new password to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the EHA Markets Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.